Hello everyone, welcome back to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing a really useful feature for YouTube TV subscribers, how to change your viewing area. Maybe you're moving, going on vacation, or just want to access local channels in a different city. Whatever the reason, we'll walk you through the simple steps to update your location on YouTube TV. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Rome Tech for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. So, why is changing your viewing area important? YouTube TV provides local channels based on your current location. When you travel or move, you might want to access different local networks or sporting events that aren't available in your current viewing area. Okay, let's get started. There are a couple of ways to change your YouTube TV viewing area, depending on your device. We'll cover both your phone/tablet and a computer. For mobile devices, iOS and Android. 1. Open the YouTube TV app, make sure you are logged into your account. 2. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. 3. Select Settings. 4. Tap on Location. Sometimes it might say Area. 5. YouTube TV will likely try to use your device's current location. If you want to manually set it, tap Allow Location Access. You may see a screen about managing location permissions. Go ahead and give YouTube TV permission. Then, refresh the location page within the YouTube TV app, or close the app and reopen it. 6. Update the location if necessary. Usually, you will just let the device find the location. If it is not correct, you might need to double-check the phone location settings. For computer, web browser. 1. Go to the YouTube TV website, tv.youtube.com, and sign in. 2. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner. 3. Select Settings. 4. Click Location. 5. YouTube TV will detect your current location. You'll see a map. 6. If the location is incorrect, you will need to grant YouTube TV location access in your browser settings. After that, refresh the page and it should update. Important considerations *** home area *** remember, YouTube TV primarily designed to be used at a single home location. You can watch YouTube TV while traveling, but you may eventually need to return to your home area to maintain access to your local channels. YouTube TV requires you to check in from your home area periodically, about every 3 months, to keep your local channels. * mobile device restrictions * when using a mobile device, YouTube TV relies on your device's GPS and Wi-Fi to determine your location. Make sure location services are enabled for YouTube TV in your device settings. * traveling * when you travel, you'll get the local channels for where you are. Just be mindful of the home area requirements. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change your viewing area on YouTube TV. It's a simple process that can significantly enhance your viewing experience, especially when traveling or moving. If you have any questions or run into any issues, please leave a comment down below. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Rome Tech for more helpful tech tips and tricks. See you in the next one.